Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hopefully you are fine and you're doing great with your studies. Today we're gonna start, or not start, we're gonna do some exercises from connectors, and we have gone through the rules and the definitions of the things of connectors in earlier classes. So now it's time to evaluate our learning outcome. So as you know, connectors means that joins two sentences, two clauses, two words, two phrases, and it has another name, like sometimes it is called coordinating conjunctions linking words in different forms. But main point is that connectors means it connects, it joins two clauses. So there are multiple connectors. We saw them, we saw their definitions, we saw their uses, strategies to apply this much. So today we'll go for exercises. So here I am going for individual sentences, sometimes 2 or 3 sentences, but in the exam it will come a short text. But things will be connected in this way, means you must find the coherence relationship between the earlier clause and the next clause, then you will be able to put the appropriate connector. So let's start. First sentence, what it says: Sushi refused to take part in the concert and she changed her mind the next day. So here the connectors will be however. So if you notice, however meaning is jai hook, whatever, this much. So if you see the two sentences, Sushi refused to take part in the concert. So she কনসার্টে না যাওয়ার সিদ্ধান্ত নেয়, পরে না বলা আছে she changed her mind the next day, সে আবার পরবর্তীতে তার ডিসিশন পরিবর্তন করে, তার মাইন্ড পরিবর্তন করে। তো এক্ষেত্রে দেখা যাচ্ছে একটা রিভার্স ব্যাপার ঘটেছে। তো এরকম ক্ষেত্রে যদি এমন হয় যে অল্টারনেটিভ কিছু ঘটে যায়, এটা আবার রিভার্স করতে বলা হয়, তখন আমরা এরকম বলি যাই হোক যা হয়েছে হোয়াট এভার। তো এরকম however, whatever, this much is used in this context. You got it? So Sushi refused to take part in the concert. However, she changed her mind the next day. You got it? Hopefully you got it. So in this context, if you see in this way that a decision is taken, later it is reversed or is changed, that be time or someone facing problems still she coped up or he coped up, that very time we can take however. Next sentence it comes: the car beat the red traffic light. As a result, the driver was issued a summons by the traffic policeman. So here you see the connector as a result. So as a result we know that jar ফলে যেন ফলশ্রুতিতে, তাহলে এখানে কি হবে, in first part there will be an action cause and second part there will be result. So the car beat the red traffic light, this is the action or events cause, and the next part will be result. So as he made a mistake, so he will be charged, he will be punished, he will be given legal notice, this much. So in this way as a result is used. So you can use as a result, therefore, for this reason, this much. So this type of things which shows actually result, we can use the connectors like therefore, as a result, consequently, this much. So in this case the condition is first part there will be action, reason, and second part there will be consequence, result. So the car beat the red traffic light. As a result, the driver was issued a summons by the traffic policeman. Number 3, Flora won the gold medal after 3 months of intensive training. Then it says, you too could win if you practice hard enough, Liza's mother said to her. So similarly the connector is used here. We know that similarly actually it is used to express same thing. Understand? So if the happenings or if the things are same, that be time we to use similarly, like this much. So here a girl named Flora, she had some wonderful job and she got a gold medal and she had 3 months training. So Lisa's mother said to her that she could also get the things if she had practiced like Flora. So Flora practiced and Flora won the gold medal, and he said that similarly you too could. Same thing, same expression, same philosophy expressed here. So in this way we can take similarly. So that's the thing, like if we find same object, same context, that be term we to take similarly, and if you find action at the beginning and result at the next part, that be term we to take as a result, therefore, consequently, for this reason, this much. And if you find that something is happening and it is reversed again, that be term we to take however or whatever, this much. Are you getting the things, or you're finding the things difficulties? I think you are getting the things easily. This is not that much difficult because we practiced multiple times. Well, now number 4. Number 4 says, I don't think she can handle this task. Besides, she already has a lot of other responsibilities, said the head prefect to his assistant. So you see the connectors beside is used here. Besides means in Bangla it is said Odikontu. Also, moreover, further, this much means একটা আছে এটার সাথে আরেকটা অ্যাড হয়েছে. Means I have a laptop, besides I bought a desktop. So in this case we take besides, means something exists and something added with this. So I don't think she can handle this task. So with this we can take besides, furthermore, moreover, also, this much. So besides means ta chhara odikontu, eta chharao, this much. So I don't think she can handle this task. Besides, she already has a lot of other responsibilities, said the head prefect to his assistant. So someone is saying that she cannot handle this because she had already some other responsibilities. So she manages something and something is added with this. In this it is overflowed. That's why I said besides. So whenever anything is added extra with the given responsibilities, that be term we take besides. Number 5. The cadets were given new uniforms to wear. In addition, they received free passes to the match. So besides and in addition, they express the same philosophy. The cadets were given new uniforms to wear. In addition, besides, eta chharao, they received free passes to the match. So any opportunities, any advantages that exist and something is added with this. In this context, we will take besides or in addition. So the cadets were given new uniforms to wear, and in addition they received free passes to the match. Are you getting? Hopefully you got it. So besides, in addition, moreover, further, also, these express same meaning. Means something exists and something added with this, overlaps. And number 6, the people strongly opposed the move to build a golf course near their house. Consequently, the proposed plan was cancelled. So as I said earlier, consequently, as a result, therefore, for this reason, so this actually show result, falafel. So the first part, in this first clause there will be action, reason, and the second clause there will be consequence, result. So here what happened, people oppose the decision to build a golf course near their house, and the next part it is said that the plan was cancelled. So action happened, the result showed. In this case, as a result, therefore, so consequently this much can be used, foloshrutite. So consequently the proposed plan was cancelled. So as a result, consequently, therefore, these much express same meaning. Well, so next let's move to the next part. The option 7 says the final examinations are coming soon, therefore it would be advisable for you to begin revising more systematically, the teacher told her class. As I said, therefore, consequently, as a result, these expresses same meaning, so therefore it will be also same meaning. So final examinations are coming soon, therefore it would be advisable for you to begin revising more systematically, the teacher told her class. So therefore means jar foloshrutite. So final exam as it is approaching, so students are advised to revise the things systematically. So exam approaching, this is the reason, and what to do, or what the teacher said, they need to study systematically, revise systematically. This is the consequence. So in this way we can take therefore. Number 8 says the neighbors often helped each other, thus creating a feeling of harmony in the neighborhood. So what happened, thus means also like this, foloshrutite. The neighbors, they helped each other, and because of this a feeling of harmony is created among the neighbors, among people living there. So that means thus. So the neighbors often helped each other, thus creating a feeling of harmony in the neighborhood. Number 9 it comes, the teenager was caught shoplifting, however he was let off with a warning. So what I said, however means when a decision is reversed. So the teenager was caught shoplifting, so as he made a misdeed, so he should be punished, but this normal activities didn't take place, rather reverse things happened. So in this way, however is used. So the teenager was caught shoplifting, however he was let off with a warning. Number 10, it comes, Shaun is directing the movie. Besides, he is playing the lead role in it. So what happened, as I said, besides means action, something exists, and along with this something is added. So Shaun, the guy, he is directing the movie. That should be okay. But what he said, besides means tachharao, he is playing the lead role in it. সবচেয়ে কেন্দ্রীয় চরিত্রটি সে করছে। সে বিসাইডস আসলে এই পারপাসে ব্যবহৃত হয় যখন কোনো কিছুকে ছাপিয়ে আরো কিছু যোগ হয়। You got it? Well. Number 11 says Thomas Edison failed several times before he successfully invented the first light bulb. Similarly, you too could attain your dreams if you never give up trying. So Thomas Edison, he tried multiple times to invent successfully the light bulb, and it is suggested that you too could attain your dreams if you never give up trying. So here also same suggestion is given. So as we learned earlier that if same thing is expressed, that term we can take similarly. So similarly the connector we can place here. So Thomas Edison failed several times before he successfully invented the first light bulb. Similarly, you too could attain your dreams if you never give up trying. Okay. Well, so what the rule is, if same thing happens, that term will take similarly. Last one, the bungalow had 7 rooms, each with an attached bathroom. In addition, there was a large garden and a swimming pool. So in addition means odikontu, moreover. So it has 7 rooms, and every bathroom, every attached room there is attached bathroom, and apart from this there is a large garden and a swimming pool. So this is the thing, like when something more is expressed, aru beshi kichu, that term in addition is used, or additionally, furthermore, besides this much. Okay, so for 12 sentences we had gone for, and the things we learned that besides, in addition, however, thus, consequently. So first one, it was however, means we learned that when two things, one thing is reversed, there is normal activities or normal procedures is hampered, that term however is used. Second one, as a result, we had this type of things multiple times. That means when result is shown, means action will happen in the first clause, in the second clause there will be consequence of it. And similarly, we know that if same thing happens, same thing is targeted, same thing is expressed. And number 4, it was besides, it means that odikontu means ekta kichu ache er bairo aro kichu. And number 5, it was in addition, eta moreover, furthermore, besides this one, consequently, this is like that, therefore, as a result, so this all same meaning, therefore also same meaning, consequently, as a result, this was thus, therefore, same meaning, cause and result, however, one decision is reversed, besides means furthermore, in addition, similarly, same expression, in addition, something will be added. So that's all for today. So we practice sentence connectors, and you see actually how particular connectors are used. In next class we will solve a text of little text using connectors, and then in this you will be able to master connectors, and hopefully you will get a good figure in exam in next time onwards. So till then, keep fine. Goodbye.